Let me show you how to use EDIAG to take diagnostics and reset on vehicles. First, we take out the EDIAG box and plug it into the vehicle OBDII diagnostic socket. You can see the box light up. Open the EDIAG app. Select the engine icon in the lower left corner. Select the first All System Diagnostics. Select VIN decoding. Wait until the firmware upgrade is complete for the first time. The phone will automatically search the connection box and turn the blue display light. You can see that the model year and VIN are automatically identified. Select System to see all the systems supported by this car. Select Health Report. Scan all systems and trouble codes in the car. The scan is complete, and the fault code analysis is displayed. Option Entry System. You can see the system functions, clear fault code, read data stream, bidirectional test. Scan all data flows in the system with one click. You can also check the data flow for direct graphics. Of course, some models cannot automatically recognize VIN. You need to manually pull down to find the model brand. Manually select the model year to diagnose. If you want to do maintenance reset, select Maintenance Functions. You can see the functions supported by the box. The last option is to do OBDII scanning protocol. Supports for OBDII functions